Bakery style hot cross buns. Look, if you haven't tried a hot cross bun, the dough is soft, it is packed with flavour, and just trust me, you've got to try my buns. This is really the secret, and it starts with soaking your raisins. So we're gonna add raisins, water, light brown sugar, an orange peel, and my little tip, an Earl Grey tea bag. Get that on a medium heat, and then you're gonna bring it to a boil. Pour this into a container, then ideally we would steep this overnight, but an hour is also fine. For the dough, we've got bread flour, salt, sugar, yeast. We're gonna add in milk, water, and eggs. And then this is your flavour package. This is the secret. We go to spices, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, orange zest, vanilla. Tip that in. And we're going to start to knead that. After about 3 minutes, we're going to add in soft, unsalted butter. Come on. And then we're going to keep kneading until the dough is nice and smooth. After about another 5 minutes of kneading, your dough should pass the window pane test, which is when you can see through it like this. And now we need to add in those soaked raisins and some mixed peel. So I've drained the raisins from the liquid, but keep this because we're going to use it later on. We're going to add this into the dough, and we're just going to mix it just until they combine. You're going to be left with a very smooth and fragrant dough. We're going to put this into a bowl. We're going to cover it and let it proof for about an hour. After an hour, uncover the dough and knock the air out. Cut them into 105-gram pieces, then you're going to roll them underneath your hand until they form a nice tight ball. And once they're in the tray, cover them up, we're going to proof them once more. Now that the buns are proofed, I'm going to take a paste that I made earlier, put it in a piping bag. It's just flour, water, milk, and oil. I'm going to pipe a very thin line across the top of the buns before they go in the oven. And then they go into the oven to bake. As soon as they come out of the oven and they're still warm, brush some of that leftover raisin syrup all over the buns, let them cool completely, and then you've got the best hot cross buns.